Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about keyword research tools. What are the basic free and paid keyword research tool we used in doing keyword research? Hello friends, I'm Shivani Goyal. Welcome in WsCube Tech. So in this video I'm going to explain how you can do keyword research with the help of different tools. In this video, we are going to discuss about different tools available for doing keyword research. So let's start with the one of the important tool which is known as Google Keyword Planner. Okay, as you can see here, Google Keyword Planner, how we can do keyword research with the help of this particular tool. Okay, let me show you a live demo on that, how this particular tool help you to gather your data. The data you get from the keyword planner comes straight from the Google, and that's why we are using this particular tool here. Okay, let me show you how you can do keyword research with the help of this particular tool here. For doing keyword research, let me explain you with the help of the live demo here. Here we have one account on Google Ads. Okay, so first of all you have to create your account on Google Ads. After done with your account part, now you have to move on tools part. Okay, in your tools part you have option here which is known as planning. With the help of this particular tool, here you have an option here that is keyword planner, and here I am using this particular word. In case of keyword planner, if you want to discover new keyword, if you want to discover new search volume about new particular keyword, you are using this particular tool. Okay, in your discover new keyword here, let's suppose we enter one particular keyword here, that is, let's suppose running shoes. Let's suppose this is my particular keyword here. So after mention this, I'm just going to get result. Here I'm getting result in the form of average monthly searches, 3-month changes, year by year changes, competition, ad impression share, top of the page bid. You can see that. Okay, as you can see that your particular keyword, that is running shoes, this is your keyword here, and we have average monthly searches corresponding to this particular keyword is this much. Okay, and here you can also see your competition. So as I can see that the competition is high for this particular keyword. So it means that you have to put extra effort if you are choosing this particular keyword here. Okay, in terms of that, you also have some keyword ideas here. You can also get keyword idea and you can figure out that particular keyword in which you can get medium or less volume. Okay, how can you do that? Here this is your keyword. You can again re-edit your keyword here and you can mention like running shoes for women in India. Okay, let's suppose this is your keyword here, and for this particular keyword here you can see again your competition is high, so you have to figure out that particular keyword having your search volume and your competition is medium or low. Okay, so this is how you can do keyword research with the help of this particular keyword. Okay, after that, what you can do, you can also do forecasting. What is the forecasting means? It means that if you want to know that by using this particular keyword how much result you can expect in the upcoming month, you can do forecasting here. Here let's suppose I select this particular keyword, again I select this particular keyword and I just click on add keyword to create a plan. Okay, now your keywords are added here. After that you have to click on forecast here. Okay, in case of forecast, here you can get an idea that we have two keyword here. This is one keyword and this is our second keyword which you are choosing. Okay, and here you can get that you have average daily expenses for this particular keyword is this. Okay, in the same way as we can see that we have high competition for this particular keyword, and that's why we have the number of clicks and impressions that are 0 for that particular keyword. So it means we have to choose another keyword here in which we can get maximum click. Okay, for this what we can do, simply visit on your keyword plan, simply visit on your keyword idea. Here you can enter your keyword. Let's suppose here I'm using one keyword here, that is online marketing. This is one keyword here. Okay, now I'm just clicking on get result, and here you can see that we have low volume, medium volume as well. Here you can see that we have this keyword here. Okay, we have some average search volume here, and our competition is also medium here. What we can do now, we can plan forecasting. Click on add keyword. Now click on forecast, and here you can see that for your online monthly, for your online marketing, for this particular keyword, here you are getting this much click, impression, cost, your CTR, your average CPC. By this way you can do forecasting with the help of this particular keyword here. Okay, after that, now the next tool we have is explodingtopic.com. This is also one of the important keyword research tool. Here, with the help of this particular tool, you can scrap the web for the terms that are surging in popularity. Okay, how we can use this tool? For using this particular tool, you have to simply type on Google, that is exploding topics. You have to simply mention exploding topics. Okay, when you simply search this, in that case you can figure out the biggest trends this month, biggest trend right now. Okay, let's suppose we just want to explore biggest trends this month. Okay, so here you have the popular words here. After that, if you want to do search here, you can also do that. You can click on search, and you can also search your topic here. That is, let's suppose online marketing, digital marketer, online marketing. These all are the type of keywords, and here you can figure out your search volume, your growth. Okay, so with the help of this tool, you can also do keyword research here. So the next thing we have is here you can see that you can even sort the list of the topic by categories. Example, here you can see that your all categories, brand, businesses, so you can also categorize your search. Now the next tool we have is keyword surfer. Even we have also a Chrome extension. You need to install a Chrome extension here, and with the help of this particular extension, here you can get this particular extension here, and here you can get keyword idea here, and it shows you keyword idea from inside Google search result. Okay, one of the another famous Chrome extension is keyword idea. You can also download this and you can get idea from there. Okay, keyword related, that is the Chrome extension here. You can download that and you can also get result like this. Okay, where you can get some keyword idea related to your typed keyword. After your keyword surfer, now the next keyword we have is keyword research tool we have is our Ubersuggest. So Ubersuggest still generates keyword idea from the Google search suggestion, but it also gives you data on each keyword like your search volume, CPC, keyword difficulty and more. Okay, so how you can use this particular tool? For this, you have to simply type on Google, that is Ubersuggest. Okay, as you type this, here you have to click on keyword idea, or you can simply go there. Even we also have our Google Chrome extension, that is Ubersuggest. You can also download that. Okay, after visiting that, you have to simply click on enter a domain or a keyword here, and here you can mention your keyword. Let's suppose you are mentioning online marketing. Let's suppose this is your keyword. After that, you have to click on search, and when you do search, then you are getting result in the form of this particular sheet. Okay, where you have a keyword overview here. Okay, you can simply do that. Okay, here you can get search volume corresponding to this particular keyword, as well as you can get your SEO difficulty here, paid difficulty, cost per click difficulty. Okay, even you can also see search volume here. This is the search volume. You can see For this, you have to opt paid version of Ubersuggest. We also have a 7-day free trial for that. You can also opt for that. After that, you have keyword ideas here. You can get that. Okay, this is the content idea. If you want to get content idea on the behalf of this particular keyword, you can also get that. Okay, so here you can see your keywords ideas corresponding to this particular keyword with the help of this particular tool. Okay, now the next tool we have is SEMrush. SEMrush is a huge time saver. Why we can say that? Because with the help of this particular tool, you can not, instead of the popping random keyword into a tool, the SEMrush will also show you the exact keyword that a site already ranked for. Okay, so this is a very important tool. This tool is paid, but you also avail some free services, some free limited services in this particular tool. Okay, so for using SEMrush, what you can do, you have to simply go to Google and type that is SEMrush. Okay, after doing that, now you can mention one keyword here. Let's suppose here you mention okay, so for this particular keyword here, you can see your volume, keyword difficulty, your global volume, your search intent, trend, results, your search engine result page feature, your CPC. Okay, so all the type of the matrices you can get with the help of this particular tool here. Okay, this is the keyword variation. You can also see this will help you to choose your semantic keywords as well. This is in the form of the questions, how you can build question with the help of this particular keyword here. These are the related keywords you can see here. Okay, this is the search engine result page analysis on the behalf of this particular tool here. Okay, so by this way you can use keyword research tool, that is SEMrush, we have for doing keyword research. Okay, so this is a paid tool and you can also opt these services as a free of cost in this particular tool here. Okay, after SEMrush, the next tool we have is Ahrefs. What is the use of this particular tool? Here, with the help of this particular tool, we usually generate keywords that are just simple variations of the keyword I typed in. Okay, here you can see that we can figure out keyword difficulty, search volume, number of clicks, CPC with the help of this particular tool. Okay, for doing this, you have to simply type on Google, that is Ahrefs. Okay, when we type that, in that case you have to simply click on free keyword generator. Okay, then you will write your keyword here, that is online marketing. Okay, then you have to choose your country name here. Here India is my country, so I'm choosing this. After that, you have to click on I'm not a robot here, and for this you have to simply fill that. Okay, let's suppose I do verify here, and you have to do that. Okay, after that you can simply click on find keyword, and here you can get keyword idea corresponding to this particular keyword. Okay, even you can also get the keyword difficulty here for some keywords here. Here you can see that we have this particular keyword here, that is digital marketing strategy, an integral approach to online marketing. For this we have keyword difficulty is very low, that is only 4. Okay, similarly for online marketing we have a very high keyword difficulty, that is 82. So you can get an idea about that with the help of this particular tool. After getting ideas from these tools, now you have to create one Excel sheet here. You can create one spreadsheet here, and in this particular spreadsheet you have to mention all the keyword ideas available here, and corresponding to this you have to mention their search volume and their keyword difficulty. Okay, and after that, in your final research, keyword research case, as we already discussed, that you have to figure out your 10 to 20 keywords from that big list of keywords ideas, so that you can work on that. Okay, After doing keyword research with the help of Ahrefs, now the next tool we have is Google related search suggestion. As we already discussed this popular type in our semantic keywords finding, here we can simply type on the Google your desirable keyword, and on corresponding to this, on your first page of keyword research, on your first page of Google search engine result page, at the bottom of the page you can figure out some suggestions here. Just like if I'm simply typing keyword here, and if I'm just go down the page, and in the ending what we can find here, we have some related searches. By this way you can also get keyword. And now we also have one feature here, that is people also ask feature. In this particular features, here you also have some keyword ideas here. Here you have one another method of finding your keyword research, that is your Google search result. Okay, in your Google search result you can find some bold term as well, just like as you can see here, as I simply mentioned online marketing. So here you can see the digital marketing, this is the bold term, online marketing, this is the bold term. So by this way you can also get an idea about the keyword for which you can use this particular keyword in your keyword research tool, and you can do the keyword research from here. Okay, next again we have a Google Ads tool. For advertisement you can use Google Planner here. Okay, because into the Google keyword planner the people can learn about the popularity and the search results for the particular keyword they are considering. Okay, and it also helps marketer better understand the type of the searches. Okay, and the next tool we have is the Google Trends. How you can use that? You have to simply type on the Google, that is Google Trends. With the help of this particular tool, here you can figure out what is the trending topic right now. Okay, you have to simply mention your keyword here, that is online marketing, and with the help of this particular tool, now we can get a graph here that now how much this particular keyword is in trends. Okay, here you can get idea like this, like which topic related to this is on trends, which queries related to this particular topic is on trends. Okay, by this way you can get an idea about content creation, you can get an idea about your keyword and as well as your content creation part. Okay, these are the basic ideas you can get from here. Next tool is the answer the public. As we already discussed this tool, with the help of this tool you can generate a list of the questions and a list of prepositional phrases that allow you to create powerful list of the multi-level latent semantic index keyword. Okay, and here you can see that we have one keyword here, and corresponding to this one keyword we have several questions we can get. Okay, so these are the free and the paid tool available on internet which we can use for doing keyword research. So thank you so much for watching this video.